Everyone, this is Matt. I just figured I'd do some more painting for you. I'm going to do a white base with 3 different colors: black, neon blue, and neon green. My girlfriend's favorite color. Anyways, let's get started. Also, just to let you know that the white does not have any cells in it, and I will be spreading it out. Try to coat as much as you can. Now, before we get started, I just want to let you guys know, if you can give me a like and subscribe to my channel, totally free. I will not let you down. I will start trying to post more videos once a week at least. I do have a full-time job, and it's really super busy right now. I'm doing about 70 hours, close to it, around there, per week. I did figure out, if you just pour right dead center of where that little knob is in the center of that strainer, it makes things a lot easier for you. I'm doing here is just trying to finish up my cups. Probably did a little too much, but we can never have too much. Alright, let's put that off to the side. Try to get that off the center. I do have a torch on the side of me, and I will torch it. Alright. Let's give it a little bit of torch here. And the reason why you torch it, I found out that it helps eliminate the bubbles that's in the painting. It also activates the cells. So if you do have any naturally, it really does come out. It looks pretty awesome. Well, like I said, don't forget to give me a submit, subscribe to my channel, and give me a thumbs up, and I'll keep posting more of these for you.